These are the elevators. These are the elevators at 1001 Water Street in Tampa, Florida. They're Mitsubishis.
Going down.
You're at 20. Here's your inspection certificate. Fixtures. Here's a quick cab view. Interesting how there's only 4 elevators that come up here. It looks like there's service elevators that way. So elevator B should be coming back. The top floor is reserved for a private event, so looks like they're gone, but we're still not going to go that way.
Elevator B. Going down.
Ooh. You can see some of the elevator shaft. So I wiped off my camera lens so you don't get as much of the smudge that was there before.
Third floor. Going up. Going up. Going up.
Now we got elevator F.
Going down.
There's your inspection certificate. Doors shut pretty quick. Here's your cab view. And there's a minus button. Are there negative floors? No, there's not. So let's go to 1.
Elevator F. Going down.
Actually, what about the handicap
Serves
mode?
floors 1 through 20. Swipe a card at bottom of keypad or enter your destination floor. Third floor.
Now we're
Please
gonna-
take elevator G to the right.
So, I guess apparently this bank serves all of the elevators. Or, excuse me, all of the floors. I'm guessing the other 4 are a low-rise bank, perhaps. I'm going to cut the one we get. Actually, we're going to get a cab view up here, and then we're going to watch the indicator going down. Your inspection certificate, and your buttons, and let's go down. And we're stopping.
12th floor.
It got pretty busy going down, so here's a view up. That'll be it.